To enable or disable sync email account in Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus, open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the apps screen. Tap Settings. Scroll down. Tap Cloud and Accounts. Tap Accounts. Select your email account. Tap Sync Account. Tap Sync Email, switch until blue to enable, or tap until gray to disable. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.